Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I've realized just now that I'm getting closer to the akhirah. I'm distancing myself from death and I'm getting closer to the akhirah. So are we all. Because when we will die, death will be over. There won't be any death again. There won't be any life again. Or better to say, life in the dunya. But then the akhirah will come and the akhirah won't end. So this dunya is such a short time that it's not even worth being mentioned. It's not even worth being counted. We won't even remember the years we've lived here when we will die. What I'm trying to say is, don't love this dunya too much. Whatever you do in this dunya, it will define your akhirah. Just this really, really short time, it will define your whole akhirah. And you wouldn't want to throw that away, wouldn't you? When we will die, we will feel like this earth was just, a day or a part of a day, or maybe 2 days. Just a really, really short time. Really, really short time. These, when you have really, really realistic dreams where you have had a life and you've had children maybe even, and then you wake up and you realize that it was all just a dream, and you'll be like, oh my god. For a few days, maybe even, it will remind you will remind yourself of the dream. And that is probably how we will see this dunya and the akhirah, just like a really, really realistic dream. But whatever you do, don't waste too much time. I mean, we all have times where we fall down, but that is what everyone does. Everyone does sin. It's just, there are people who make tawbah, who repent, and those are the succeeders. And we want to be one of them. So let's act like a Muslim, let's act like a mu'min. That's what's been on my mind just now. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.